So I'm only gonna be giving us just one secret, one obonge secret, which is hello beautiful people, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Princess Chiamaka, streaming all the way from Nigeria in her house. So today I bring you another banger, which is the easiest way to grow your TikTok followers. Are you ready? Let's dive in. One of the easiest platform to gain followers, to gain audience, is the TikTok app, and that is what I say to people. Yeah, because it's actually easy and straightforward, only if you know the right thing to do. So I'm not gonna waste your time. I haven't come here to talk too much. I'm gonna go straight to the point. So today I'm gonna be sharing with us just one secret. Maybe in my next video I will drop another secret, and that one secret is going live. I don't mean going your own live. Yeah, you can also go your own live, but you have to know this before you go live on TikTok. That's before you be eligible to go on live in TikTok app. You have to complete 1,000 followers. So if you're not up to 1,000 followers, what do? You simply join other people live. Yeah, in TikTok app we have two different kind of live. The first live is grow host live, and that grow host live is strictly for gaining followers, not just dormant followers, active followers. Now the question is, what is grow host live? Grow host live is all this kind of live that you come across on TikTok and you'll be hearing follow for follow my number one gifter, follow my number two gifter, go to my profile, connect with 10 people, go to my following list, connect with the first 30, connect with the first 100, blah 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 blah. Yes, that is what grow host live is all about. And secondly, anytime you are on that live, don't just relax, don't just be there watching. Whatever they say you should do, make sure you are doing it. Anybody they ask you to follow, make sure you are following. Anything the host herself or himself is asking you to do, make sure you are doing it. Don't just stay there and be looking. See, this secret now that I'm sharing with you, I know how many people that have missed me that I've told, and if I screenshot the TikTok page and show you now, you'll be surprised. That's why I say I really wish I knew this earlier on. That is back then. I would have done it to grow my TikTok. Yeah, I'm still doing it till now. Anytime I go to the app, I don't just scroll watch videos. No, yeah, you can watch videos, have fun, comment, and people will follow you back, make your post. No one is stopping you. I'm just saying this for those that is in need of followers sharp. Yes, why are you on TikTok app? It's not to get followers. So just do this and thank me later. If by chance you don't really know what grow host live is, or you've not come across it on TikTok, or you've not even heard of it before, no issue, I got you. All you need to do is just indicate it in the comment section, and I'll be listing out some top grow host live that if you join on TikTok, you will get followers massively, not just dormant, active followers massively. Just indicate it in the comment section. And one thing that you must need to know is, anytime you are on that grow host live, if you have change, like if you have coin, if you have money, you can also gift. Why should you gift? Anytime you gift, you see that the grow host will bring you to the top and ask like 100 or 200 people to follow you, and they're going to follow you ASAP. That is one advantage of gifting anytime you are on live. Get it? Yeah. Then the next one is joining box game live. You know all these box game live that some of them is camera, that's face camera challenge. Some of them is you just drop your profile. That's just this live that involves people gifting others. You know that kind of live people used to be much. At times you'll be seeing view of 1K, at times you'll be seeing view of 500, all you need to do is just click to the top where those viewers are. Click to the top and make sure you follow everybody there. Grab with everyone, and I bet you once you do that, definitely they're going to follow you back. And another life that I'm going to share with us is, you see Pella. You guys know Pella. Pella is really popular, but you know Pella don't really come on live all the time, but anytime you are opportune to join his live, Pella used to have more than 5k active people on his live that's watching him. Just make sure that you click to the top, that's the top of the live where people are. Follow everyone there. There are other bigger TikTokers too like that. Anytime you join their live, yes, you can also be catching fun, but let your aim be, this is what I am joining this live for. Go to the top, follow everyone on that live. Keep doing this, and I bet you, if you try this in 1 week, the way your followers will grow, you say you'll be surprised. And also there are other big people too on TikTok that anytime you join their live, you just make sure that you're grabbing with people. So if you can calm down and apply this simple secret I just shared with you now, bet me you will come back thanking me. So I hope I have been able to convince you and not to confuse you with this reasonable point that I've stated here, that it's high time you grow on TikTok. Yes, just apply this, you will see yourself growing. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and if there is anything you need to know, TikTok, YouTube here, simply drop it in the comment section. Bye for now. Have a nice day. I love you. It's a girl, Princess Chamaka.